Writing Task 2. Band 9 Score Model Essay with Advanced Vocabulary. Question. Some people think that companies should recruit people who are hungry for money for the sales position as they will make the most dedicated workers. Do you think money is the driving force behind hard work? What factors should be taken into consideration when recruiting staff for sales positions? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Model answer. The notion that financial ambition is the primary driving force behind hard work in many positions, including sales, is a topic of debate. Some argue that recruiting individuals who are solely motivated by money can yield dedicated sales workers. In this essay, I contend that a broader range of factors should be considered when selecting candidates for sales positions rather than just considering who are ambitious to earn money. Financial incentives may serve as effective motivators in certain jobs positions and spur sales employees to perform diligently and meet targets, but they are not the sole driving force to hard work. It is important to recognize that hard work is often motivated by a multitude of factors beyond money. Job satisfaction, a sense of purpose, and personal growth are equally influential drivers that can result in highly dedicated and effective employees. Therefore, sales positions require not only a hunger for monetary gain but also effective communication skills, empathy, and a keen understanding of customer needs. Individuals who are passionate about their products or services and genuinely want to provide value to customers are more likely to build lasting relationships and drive long-term business growth. In the context of recruiting staff for sales positions, a well-rounded assessment of candidates is imperative. While financial ambition can be a contributing factor, it should not be the sole criterion. Communication skills, customer orientation, adaptability, and a genuine enthusiasm for the company's offerings should also be prioritized along with their desire to make money from their job. In conclusion, while financial incentives can motivate hard work to a certain extent, they are not the sole driving force behind dedicated performance. In the recruitment process for sales positions, factors such as communication skills, passion for the company's offerings, and customer orientation are equally vital in selecting candidates who will contribute to a thriving sales team. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.